Hi, Brian McCumbee here for Range 365. This is my Glock 27 and 40 Smith & Wesson. I got 5 rounds in the mag. This is the Identilock. Snaps in over the trigger guard like that. What I'm trying to figure out today is how fast I could shoot it if I really needed to get access to the pistol. Let's go. Some were faster than others, but all in all, I'm thinking 3 to 4 seconds. That's a little slow, I think. Great for kids though, they can't get to it. Unauthorized people, they can't use your pistol. If you have to use it in a hurry, I think you might want to look at a different option.